The Public Accounts Committee (PAC) of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on Monday summoned the Home Police Department to seek reports on the alleged anomalies in the construction of the police academy. Briefing media persons, member of the PAC and Congress MLA from Gambegre, Saleng Sangma, said Meghalaya was awarded a grant of Rs 50 crore for the Home Police Department under the 13th Finance Commission. However, the state lost Rs 25 crore of the funds due to the delay in land acquisition for setting up a police academy. Though half of the funds could not be allocated to the state, the government managed to adjust the funds from state resources and the academy is now almost complete.
Because of the delay of land acquisition, like we have lost around 25 crores of rupees, which is very bad, But in the meantime, our state government has managed to, adjust from the state resources fund itself, which is now been almost completed. Out of 35 infrastructure, we have come down to only 13 infrastructure. We have lost two, but still it is good.